Good morning, everyone. We are now in Nanaimo. We're just stopping by here before heading to Tofino. We just got on a ferry and arrived in Nanaimo. And they're gonna get Nanaimo bars, which are from Nanaimo. I am not. So I'm just sitting here with a coffee. Bought some nectarines and peaches. Where are we? Some kind of little small town. Coombs. We have now arrived in Tofino. We are not able to check in yet. We're gonna get some lunch. We are at Sea Monster. They have a few vegan options. You can get the Dan Dan made vegan or the pad thai, and I think the tofu rice bowl. I got the Dan Dan, and right now their dine-in is closed, so we're gonna eat outside. Got my order. Oh. Ooh, it looks so good. So this is like rice noodles with cilantro, lots of peanuts. I think it's a good tahini sauce and some lime. Yummy. Can't wait to eat. Oh, oh, the sand is so nice. Cheers! Woo. Just got to Chesterman Beach in Tofino. It is beautiful. Look at that. Water is quite cold, but my feet are getting used to it. I'm drinking some something out of this mug. Fantastic, beautiful. Ah, it's so nice and peaceful, guys. Say hi. Saw the sunset. Is this heaven? We're having a romantic walk.
As always.
Along the, what is this? West
Wild Pacific.
Damn it! Why can I never remember names of anything? So we're doing a walk along the Wild Pacific Trail. Me and Angela are ahead of everyone as always. Found a place with vegan options. This place is called Yayu. Ooh, cute.
That's so cute.
It's so cute.
I think it is. This is fun.
Yeah, this is it. This is it. Let's eat. Ooh, we're at Yayu Plant-Based. All right, we are at Yayu Plant-Based Cafe in Uklulet. None of us know how to actually say it because everyone says it differently. But anyways, we got an abundance bowl and a falafel bowl. We're gonna share.
Excited.
Yay! I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry, as always. Here's our food. We got the abundance bowl and whoa, the falafel bowl. Looks so good. We're gonna eat it here outside. Oh my god, it's so pretty. We are back at the beach. Other ladies went surfing and me and Candice are chilling at the beach. They're actually taking surfing lessons. They're actually somewhere on this beach. I don't know where they are. It is a beautiful day. We're now at Tofino. I got 3 vegan tacos. Very exciting. There's some guacamole, salsa, onion. I think there's beans in here. And hopefully it's delicious. Very exciting. Yum. Time to eat a taco. Alright, so So apparently this is where you need to watch the sunset. We are on Mackenzie Beach and oh my God, look at all these people watching the sunset. It is beautiful. Holy. Starting a fire. Woo! Good job, ladies. Independent women. Rise and shine. We're at Bravocados. This is the one vegan restaurant in Tofino. So we're just gonna eat brunch basically and then go for a nice hike. We're just waiting to get a table. So due to social distancing, we are sitting in separate tables.
So the fat asses.
We ordered 2 appies and 2 breakfast items. Well, 1 breakfast item each and then 2 appies. Very exciting. The ladies are sitting over there. Are you guys getting appies too?
Yeah.
Okay. We didn't have breakfast, so this is like, you know, our breakfast and lunch. That's my excuse.
Hiking every day, sort of.
Well, walking. Got me an iced coffee. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yum. All right, so this one is Candace's. Which one is this?
Trailer hash.
Trailer hash. So there's like tofu with the hollandaise sauce. So many hash browns. I should have got salad. Oh well. Guacamole, deliciousness. We have the mushroom calamari, the cauliflower wings, agave garlic, I think. And then my Benny. Oh my God. Yum. It looks so good. So we couldn't finish the hash browns. Got mine here. Got Candace's here. How was the food, Kenny?
I'm fucking full.
What was your favorite thing?
Between the cauliflower wings and the mushroom
Calamari.
Oh, I don't know. That's a tough one. I like both.
You like both?
Better than the breakfast.
Candace is apparently not into hash browns and decided to order the one with the most.
I read hash browns and I read it wrong. Oh my God, it's me! Oh my God.
Anyways, my Benny was very good, but I wish I got a salad because we got so much food. No, it's great.
What?
The ladies are over there enjoying. Candace is running away from a bee. We've made it to this secluded bee. Ooh. Okay, I don't know how to get down while I'm doing this. Wow, it's like literally secluded.
Oh my God.
Yay! We are at Kuma, which is a Japanese ramen place. I got myself the veggie ramen, but with udon noodles to make it vegan. Comes with some fried tofu. I'm so excited. I've been craving noodles and soup.
Perfect.
Oh. So this one is which one?
Veggie roll.
The veggie roll. These are the cauliflower wings.
Yeah.
And then these are the pot stickers. Yum. So this one is the lemongrass chicken. Oh, we got a variety. We got some pad thai. That looks good.
Yeah, very good.
And we got the sesame garlic something with noodles. That looks so good. And then
The kombucha curry.
not the kombucha curry. No. Damn it, now I can't think about it. You know what it
Kombucha.
is.
It's like Gakocha or something.
Kabocha curry. Yum. Yum. Yay. So this is the taro tapioca pudding. What's in this? I don't even know.
Peanuts. Sorbet.
Chunkiness. No, I don't want sorbet. That's boring. Goodbye, sorbet. Time to drink wine. We are at the, damn it, what's it called? Okanagan Crush Pad Winery. Leslie's doing a little demo for us. We've got some flights. Leslie got the narrative flight. Everyone else got the freeform and haywire flight. Go ahead. Thank you. Ooh.
Record more roads.
Oh, no, what happened?
It's empty.
That was the haywire Great Valley Brunch.
So we're at this restaurant called Salty's, right in front of the lake in Penticton, and it looks like they've got a plant-based menu. Everything actually looks really good, and I want to try everything, but I think I'm gonna do the poke bowl, but I also kind of want the tofu tacos, so trying to decide which one I want. All right, so I'm being super overindulgent, and I got myself a vegan tuna poke bowl. Sounds familiar. It's the same name as my my cafe, so let's see how this tastes. And then I also got some tofu tacos, which look delicious, and they also come with fries. This is all for me. Great, fantastic. No judgment. Oh, I got a random yam fry. Yay! Yay! Good morning, friends. So we are on our way back to Calgary. We stopped by Kelowna for breakfast because it was on the way, and we are at Mad Mango Cafe, and they have a giant menu. Very overwhelming. Hi, Leslie. But they also have a vegan menu. So I got the bowl, a vegan bowl. It's called Billy Bowl, and there's like spring rolls, tofu, broccoli, and some noodles underneath, served with peanut sauce. Yay! Oh, haven't tried, but it looks good. Thank you. Oh, really?